when I started doing the PET test, instantly, it's like he wasn't paying attention to me.
Yes.
And then he turned over and he was looking at me.
Yes.
And it had such descriptives. Like, did your pet look up? Did his ears perk? And I was like, yeah, like all these things were happening.
Yes.
And at the end of it, like it let me know that Archer does have issues with hearing a little bit.
Where did that show up?
In the lower tones.
In the lower tones.
In the lower tones, yeah. Because when I was doing it, I was like, oh, I'm surprised that he's not getting the same responses.
Yeah.
And then it gave me that detailed explanation, and it made so much sense.